These days, whether in person, virtual, or hybrid, running your classroom can be challenging. There's a more streamlined way to see students thinking and increase student learning with Classkick. Classkick is the interactive digital notebook that gives your students more aha moments in a fun, paperless class. Increase live practice, feedback, collaboration, and learning by sharing your content, and watch as students take off. Students can simply place the link in their Chrome browser and sign in using their names. No account needed. Students work at their own pace, and teachers see their thinking in real time. Students of all ages can move interactive elements, record, fill in the blank, select multiple choice, draw, and more on an interactive canvas. If a student needs help, they raise their hand privately. You can chat with them directly and even add tips onto their assignment. With Classkick, everybody learns together, whether they are in class or at home. Visit classkick.com to create a student-centered, feedback-rich environment for your learners.